Today, the NEET syllabus is going on botany. What is the title is commonly called as plant physiology. So, what do you mean commonly called as plant physiology? Physiology is nothing but is a branch of biological science. That deals with functioning and interrelationship between cell, tissues, organ and organ systems. So functioning and interrelationship between cell, tissue, organ and organ system of the plant body. Okay. In generally, the globe which must be existing regarding what the plants. Without a plant, no one organism, it never should be possible to believe the environment condition. So all plants have the capacity what capacity it must be possessed regarding what plants? So every green plants trap solar energy. That solar energy utilized regarding what the green plants, it may manufacture regarding what? Food energy or also known as chemical energy. So that's why without food energy, no one, never, any living organism survival on its globe. Okay. For preparing food for regarding green plants, it is utilized easily available raw materials such as carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll molecules. So using these are commonly called as raw materials of photosynthesis. So without carbon dioxide, without water molecule, without the presence of chlorophyll molecule, the leaf cannot be proper food energy or regarding what chemical energy. Okay, next. So the green plants is not only provide regarding what the food energy. So all green plants which are emissions of regarding what oxygen. The oxygen to be utilized so many kinds of regarding what living organism. For survival. So the earth they can be present so many kinds of living organism. All living organism to survival means for breathing, which is a very local is commonly called as water oxygen. So each organism that can releasing regarding what oxygen is commonly called as plants. So that's why I am initially indicating to you. Without a plant, no one living organism never should be possible survival on its globe. Okay, next. So green plants not only providing energy, not only providing regarding but oxygen. So all green plants, it's a carry out some other mechanism like this. Photosynthesis growth, respiration and developments. These four are commonly called as vital process of recording what green plants: photosynthesis, growth, respiration and developments. Developments commonly called as each and every one organism, it is not existing on the same stage. If it is having some modification, the organism should be changed regarding what evolution. This happens by means of recording what developments. Okay, yes. What is the first process? That's a commonly called as photosynthesis. Photo, this is commonly called as light. So the word photosynthesis, there's a literally means synthesis of food, presence of light. So synthesis of food, the presence of light. So photosynthesis is a vital process that is only providing food, oxygen. In addition, all kinds of recording for other mechanism like this: photosynthesis, growth, respiration, recording for developments. Okay, yeah. Photosynthesis, it is a commonly considered as recording for leader of reaction to be said. Why it will be considered regarding what leader of reaction? Because the process only that can be provide all kinds of essential component of regarding what living organism. That should be considered regarding what? Leader of reaction. In addition, photosynthesis is not only leader of reaction, there is a drive so many kinds of mechanism of both biological organism and abiological organism. So the world which must be exist regarding a biological organism and abiological. Biology means living organism. Abiology is commonly about that non-living organism. So both living organism and non-living organism who have a drive or who have to be machinerized to be carried with the process of regarding what the photosynthesis. Because some of the data organisms also we want to be food. That food also provide regarding what the photosynthesis. When, for example, green plants undergo death, leaves are fallen, branches are fallen, fruits are fallen, whatever it may be. After it can be fallen, which undergo regarding what decomposition. If the decomposition means there can be process regarding what so many kinds of regarding data living organism. These also want food mean who have to be provided this commonly called as photosynthesis process. Okay, yeah. Next, for the plant physiology, the next one important component is commonly called as photophosphorylation and photolysis of water. What is the next progress? Photophosphorylation and regarding what? Photolysis of water. Photophosphorylation, photolysis of water, you should be clearly learned about means. Before that, you have to be clearly learned about regarding what? Structure of chloroplast. If it is known clearly means, which is it is essentially you have to be learning commonly called as site of photosynthesis. Or also known as structure of chloroplast. Because without the study of this compound, you know the characteristic features of regarding what the photophosphorylation and regarding what the photolysis are. Okay. What are called site of photosynthesis are also called the structure of chloroplast. What is site? A specific place. or also called as structure of chloroplast. Okay. So, according to the plan, which is the commonly called as the phenomena organ for photosynthesis, commonly called as leaf. So, leaf is a vital component for preparing regarding what the food. Okay. So, the world that can be existing regarding what? So many kinds of plants. All green plants it responsible go regarding what photosynthesis through the component of regarding what chloroplast. So, what is chloroplast? Chloroplast is commonly called as the organelles. These organelles which are predominantly carried out regarding the process of regarding what photosynthesis. So, all green plants carry out the process of regarding what photosynthesis. Among that regarding what, which part of the plant which must be carried in commonly called as leaf. So, sometimes stem is also green. Sometimes stipule is also green. Sometimes petioles is green. What is called stipule? Stipule is a small projection. It's a beer at the base of regarding what leaves. So, if it is also occurs a green means these also perform regarding what photosynthesis. This simply in plant what are the agents or occur regarding what the greeny component, those are everything it must be carried out the process of regarding what photosynthesis. But some exceptions there. You know that regarding what zooxanthellae species. What about zooxanthellae? The plants are existing regarding what dry conditions. If there in general regarding what reducing the regarding what water component, but the plants are survive, which is the commonly called as chief organ leaf. But the plants of regarding zooxanthellae, example cactus and Opuntia, these are leaves are absent or the leaves are maybe reduced to regarding what spine. Okay. The leaves are absent, leaves are reduced regarding what spine, which is responsible carry out the process of regarding what photosynthesis. Stem is modified as a structure of regarding what leaves. So, leaf is absent or leaves are reduced regarding what spine. Instead of leaf characteristic feature, who have to be correct the process commonly called as stem. Such a modified stem is commonly called as what? A cladode. That is a special characteristic features of regarding what zooxanthellae species. Because leaves is absent, leaves is reduced spine. Instead of leaf characteristic feature, who is to be carried out? Stem is carried out. Such a modified stem is commonly called as regarding what? Okay, now come to one. 1 square millimeter of leaf. If you cut a small portion of leaf, it should be measured about commonly called as 50,000 regarding what chloroplast are there. Please underline. Is a very good component like this. 1 square millimeter of leaf which may be processed regarding what 50 million chloroplast are there. In addition, what are the components which must be present regarding what chlorophyll molecules? So, according to structural view, the chloroplast is commonly called as is a discordant shape. They look like regarding what oval shapes. It should be measured like this, commonly called as mean. This is called 4 micron. This is commonly called as 6 micron. According to measure about regarding 4 to 6 micron. So length is regarding what 4 micron. Then regarding what regarding oval shape is commonly regarding what 6 micron. According to measure like this. Okay. The typical chloroplast is commonly called as is a larger than the regarding what mitochondria. By according the plant there can be so many kinds of organelles are there. 3 organelles are largest one. The first one is commonly called as chloroplast. The second one is commonly called as what? Mitochondria. The third is commonly called as regarding body nucleus. Remaining all organelles are commonly called as very very small in size according to size measure like this. But comparing mitochondria, chloroplasts are regarding what are largest. What is shape? Discoidal shapes. Okay. You should be considered as for the structure of mitochondria. That is all occur regarding what? Double membrane organelles. These are called outer membrane. These are called inner membrane. So chloroplast is commonly called as what? Double walled membrane organelles. It may be distinguished as outer membrane and inner membrane. What are the substances commonly it can be present regarding what structure chloroplast means? Chlorophyll, cytochromes, then phycobilins, phycoerythrin, DNA, RNA, then enzymes. Those are the components which it must be existing in the structure of regarding chloroplast. Okay. So I have already insisted to is regarding what double walled membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane. But the space regarding what enclosed the component is commonly called as is a matrix. The matrix is also commonly called as what is stroma. So it can be say in another way. The space enclosed with matrix is commonly called as regarding what is stroma. They look like the watery substances there. These are watery substances. So many kinds of regarding what grana is embedded. So many number of grana is embedded. Is a commonly called as grana. Each granum consists of there are so many kinds of grana which are embedded regarding what matrix or stroma. Each grana consists of several disc-shaped lamella is there. That several disc-shaped lamellae, how it can be arranging, so look like regarding what piles of coin. Each stack is commonly called as what? Thylakoids. For consider regarding what you have only one sac. That sac, it contains so many kinds of regarding what minor granules are there. That a granules commonly called as what? Axosomes. Are also called regarding what? Quantosomes. So many kinds of grana is embedded. Each granum consists of regarding what several disc-shaped lamellae. That disc-shaped lamellae, how it can be arranging is commonly called look like regarding what the piles of coin. Each one disc is commonly called regarding what the thylakoid. That each stack in that to be contained regarding what so many kinds of small little bit compound that can be scattered. That is commonly called regarding what the oxysome. That is a commonly called underline. These are commonly called as photosynthetic unit. So chondrosome is nothing but what? Photosynthetic units are also known as biosynthetic space. Photosynthesis carry out in the presence of pigment. That is commonly called as photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthesis, which are carried out in the presence of pigments, that is commonly called as photosynthetic pigments. What are photosynthetic pigments which must be occur? That's namely called as, one is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, cytochrome, phycobilins, phycoerythrins. These are commonly called as photosynthetic pigments. Okay. These pigments are generally varieties according to structural regarding what a chloroplast. I am already indicating to you. For structure of chloroplast, many granules are embedded. Each granule consists of several disc-shaped lamellae. Several disc-shaped lamellae that can be arranged look like regarding piles of coin. Each disc is commonly called regarding but a thylakoid. The thylakoid, it can be contained so many kinds of granules commonly called as chondrosome. There it will be occur. That's why these pigments are generally which can be carried out regarding what? Light reaction. So I am asking question to you. Light reaction is various occur is commonly called as grana. Single one is whole compound is commonly called as what a grana. Single arrangement is commonly called regarding what a granum. Each site is commonly called regarding what a thylakoid. So there only they can produce pigments they can be present. There are pigments it's a play as a very good vital role is commonly considered light reaction. Okay, yeah. According to structural view, which is the commonly called as leader of pigment, or which is a commonly called as primary pigment, which is a commonly called as accessory pigments, which is a commonly called as a leader of pigment, or also called primary pigment is commonly called as chlorophyll A. So chlorophyll A is a commonly called as leader of pigments because this is a precursor of all other kinds of pigment. What do we call precursor? This is the first origin. That's what we say called what that? Leader of pigments. In addition, chlorophyll A is also known as commonly called as, it is a primary pigments. Other than the chlorophyll A, remaining all, that's a call, chlorophyll B, cytochrome, phycobilin, these are all commonly called as what? Accessory chromosomes. Accessory pigments. So chlorophyll A is a commonly called as leader of pigments, or also known as regarding the primary pigments. Other than the chlorophyll A, remaining all should be considered regarding what accessory pigments. Okay. What are the components which must be considered regarding what pigment system? Okay. What do we call regarding what the pigment system? Photosynthetic pigment is much aggregated in the several disc-shaped lamellae that are carried out. The very good function is commonly called as light reaction. I am already indicating to you. So pigment systems commonly called as, there are two types, namely pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. Pigment system 1, it's absorbing regarding what light wavelengths commonly called as 700 nanometer. Pigment system 2 absorb the light wavelengths commonly called what 680 nanometer. Now come to the point. What is the another name of regarding what pigment system 1? or commonly called as pigment system is also known as light harvesting center. Some other name given you. What is pigment system or photosystem? One second. What are the name? Light harvesting center. Sometime that it will be asked like this. Photosystem 1, the observed wavelength 700 nanometer. Photosystem 2, observed wavelength called 680 nanometer. Okay. According to nature, photosystem 1 has more primary pigments and less accessory pigments. Which one? Photosystem 1. Photosystem 2 is quite opposite of regarding what photosystem 1. Heard that? Photosystem 2 has more accessory pigments and less primary pigments. Here one important question I given you. What do you mean commonly called as grana lamella? What is the definition of grana lamella? What do you know what is grana? Several discussed several lamella. This is called grana lamella. What does grana lamella mean? Photosynthetic pigments, it is a much aggregated, perform the process of photosynthesis, is a commonly called as grana lamella, or also called regarding what active center. The question asked like this commonly, which is our active center of regarding what chloroplast, namely grana lamella. Why? Because here only those pigments they can be aggregated, but aggregates they can present to be more. So what I call active center, we call what? All photosynthetic pigments, it is much aggregated grana lamellae. That's how perform the process of photosynthesis. That's why it can be say commonly called as active center. So that's what we commonly call as. What is the mechanism of regarding what photosynthesis? For mechanism of photosynthesis, there exist in two kinds of reaction, namely light reaction, then dark reaction. So what do we call regarding what light reaction? The reaction which must be carried out the presence of light. So the presence of light I am already indicating to you during regarding what the photosynthesis. Light, it is one of the important source or important raw materials of regarding what the photosynthesis. So the reaction it must be carried out regarding what is the presence of light. Simple phenomena. Which is such very essential need is commonly called as simply available atmosphere regarding what sunlight. Simply available atmosphere regarding what carbon dioxide. And simply available regarding what ground level regarding what water. That's essential. So what I call overall reactions of photosynthesis. That reaction is commonly called as 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 molecules of water in the presence of regarding what chlorophyll molecule, in the presence of regarding what sunlight, what component that can be end product that must be formed is commonly called as glucose. C6H12O6 along with 6 molecules of water along with 6 molecules of oxygen should be eliminated. The oxygen that can be utilized regarding what respiration. So So now come to point regarding what light reaction. So the reaction it must be carried out regarding the presence of light. What is the end product of regarding what light reaction? That's namely called as ATP and regarding what NADPH2. These are commonly called as end product of light reaction. So the product it can be produced in the presence of light, that is a commonly called as light reaction. But one more reaction, dark reaction. This reaction, no need to regarding light because the name is comes under what? Dark. But how it can be manufactured regarding by the glucose or starch or whatever may be? Using end product of light reaction. What is end product reaction? ATP and NADPH2. Using end product of light reaction, carbon dioxide reduced into regarding what the carbohydrates. These are commonly called as dark reaction. So the end product of dark reaction is commonly called as regarding what carbohydrates. How it can be manufactured means utilizing end product of regarding what light reaction. What is the end product of light reaction? ATP and NADPH2.